Today we continue our series with what we can sell to our customers instead of just chatbots. And we continue with HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI tool that you know probably already, where you can actually create AI version of the person that is speaking in the video, and you can start making content once you recorded a 2-minute clip of yourself or whatever the person is. And in this video, I will show you the process you can follow to do just that. So create your personalized AI persona that you can use to make content as well. But before we start today's video, I want to thank Vendasta for sponsoring a part of this video. Vendasta is the only one software platform for agencies. With Vendasta, you're equipped with all the tools you need to market, sell, bill, and fulfill solutions for your clients. Give your clients a white label app filled with essential solutions every local business needs, including a CRM, social media management, local SEO, and reputation management. Meanwhile, the automated reporting tools give all your customers peace of mind about their return on investment, while your agency bills them a monthly subscription that gets deposited right into your bank account. Then meet even more customer needs with the extensive marketplace to build tailored packages for your clients, featuring best-of-breed products from companies like Google and Meta. So if you want to start today using your 14-day free trial, you can click on the first link below. Thank you again, Vendasta, for sponsoring a part of this video. So let's start with the video. So what if you don't want to go through the process of creating a meta-human, a 3D environment and everything else? So maybe you don't have a PC that is compatible. Maybe you have just a Mac that is not compatible with meta-humans. So you just want to create, let's say, an avatar of yourself, which you just add the text and does everything for you. So just clone yourself. Well, the good news is you can use a tool that can do just that. It's an AI tool that you can allow you to create content just by cloning yourself. Now we will go through the process together and I'll show you exactly how you do this step by step, and we will do it together so you can do all the steps with me. This tool is called HeyGen. This tool is an AI tool that has a lot of different tools, but if you want to create videos and you don't want to every time start recording and whatever, you just maybe have the scripts and you want the AI to do everything for you, you can do that as well. And with this, you can do just that. So what you need to do is create an account. You have to pay for the monthly. 29 is the least you can pay. So you get access to create instant avatar. So once you do that, you click here.
Hey guys,
this is just an introduction, and you start from I prefer video instructions or I prefer text instructions. Let's go ahead with the video instructions. So click here.
So we only need 2 minutes of talking videos of you. You can talk about anything in any different languages. There are 6 things you need to pay attention.
So the device, the position, the pause, environment, recording.
1, you could either use a mobile camera or a professional camera as long as you're filming it at 1080p+. 2, about the background. You should make sure you have a good lighting and make sure you have a nice looking background. The background of your avatar will look exactly the same as your footage. 3, position. You could either be standing or sitting, but try to make sure you don't move your position during the recording. 4 is simple. Try to make sure you look straight to the camera and do not look anywhere else during the recording. 5, pauses. Try to make sure you have 1 second pause between each sentences and try to keep your mouth closed between each pauses. 6, gesture. Do not use any directional or pointing gesture. Try to do a generic gesture just like me and keep your gesture below the chest level. Next, I will include my 30-second recording clip just for your reference. You can look at how I was doing my recording footage.
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how we are making the avatar filming behind the scene. As you can see that, I'm standing in front of the camera. It's a sunny afternoon.
Okay, so it's pretty clear. So we just need to talk for...
I personally find it very useful. You can imagine you are actually giving a product update videos to your audience and you are delivering that message to the camera. If you don't get it right the first time, no worry at all. With Instant Avatar, you can redo it as many times as you want and it's totally free.
So after that, you can choose either upload your footage or record with your webcam. I would recommend you to create at least 2 minutes of video that you can upload over here, and that's what I did. I created just a test footage that I will use here, and I upload here, video test, open. So this is the test video that I have. And for optimal realistic, you're looking right at the camera, there are more pauses, but the environment is well lit, and my footage looks good. And then I click to my footage looks good. After that, you will be asked to record a consent video, because of course you don't want to clone people without their consent. So you click here, record a consent. Hi, my name is the company, you're allowed to use blah blah blah. Turn on cam and mic. You do this, and let's read what the thing says here, and let's do it in Italian. Why not? So now we go to the mic, this, perfect, and start recording. Io CT. And then the video is uploading. So once the upload is complete, you will receive this message saying the avatar is complete. They will send us an email with the avatar actually ready to be used as well. So you click done and you're pretty much done. We can verify everything here and wait for the avatar to be complete. So now it's 6%, so it's going ahead and creating the avatar itself. Okay, once your avatar is created, you will see a screen like this one. So you can click on this one to check it out. CT Industries, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. So yeah, this is ready, I think. It's fine with me. And the good thing about this is now that you have it created, you can go ahead and create content at scale. So you just need the script. You upload the script here and this thing does the rest. So you don't have to do editing. You don't have to, do takes and remove things while you edit stuff. It's actually super useful as well. So if you don't want to create a MetaHuman, you can make videos with an avatar. And again, it could be super useful for you to create content at scale without having to deal with editing, without having to deal with all these different things.